Meet DemoForge, the AI director that turns raw recordings, screenshots, and code into a published product film. Because great products deserve great demos. This is our real sample product, PulseBot. It turns customer signals into roadmap decisions. I can inspect a request, prioritize it, generate a launch brief, and share the result. This flow becomes the input recording. In DemoForge, I add the recording, 2 product screenshots, the 4 file code bases, and a short director's brief. Video provides timing, image provides visual beats, and code explains how the product works. DemoForge analyzes everything and creates the first cut. Real footage, title, captions, camera move, image beats, and a narration outline remain inside an editable scene graph. Now, I click a moment and direct the edit in plain language. First, I replace the caption, then I put the clip on a deep green background and rewrite the opening title. Every response shows the graph change while the real uploaded footage updates. GPT 5.6 returns small JSON patches and DemoForge validates them before changing the project. Every decision says previewable, reversible, and safe, without babysitting a traditional timeline. Voiceovers, DemoForge returns exactly what to say. I can copy the script, record naturally, or upload audio from somewhere else. Guided timing remains a fallback. The take is transcribed, matched to scenes by meaning, and integrated automatically. The editor walkthrough ends here. 1 minute 45, the actual applied edit begins.